Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to resolve one of the most common issues, that is can't receive text messages on Android phone. Many users have complained about this problem, thus, if you are facing the same issue, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to fix Android not receiving text messages issue with 6 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your Android device. Sometimes just by restarting your device can solve the issue. So, why not try this once? To restart your device, unlock the screen of the phone. Press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. Solution 2. Enable and disable airplane mode. The purpose of airplane mode is to help you disconnect from all network services when you are on a flight mode. However, you can use this mode to fix many network-related problems. There is no guarantee that using airplane mode will fix Android not receiving text messages issue, but you can give it a try as it will not harm your device. For this, you have to open the notifications panel on your phone. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn the mode on. Tap on the same icon again to disable the mode. Solution 3. Remove and reinsert SIM card. Since the issue is with incoming SMSs, so you can try ejecting your SIM card from your phone and then putting it back in. If your SIM was not installed properly, or if the SIM card tray was loose, this should fix that for you. Solution 4. Clear the cache of messaging app. In smartphones, the memory space often gets filled up with cache. And not everyone remembers that they have to clear the cache from time to time. The accumulated cache can also lead to this issue. So, if your Android messaging app is not working or not receiving texts, you have to clear the cache files of the app. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Here you will see all apps and find the default messaging app. On the Apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 5. Check for system software update. Getting the latest software version is always a good idea because new versions bring many new features, security patches, and bug fixes. So, if a new software version is waiting to be downloaded, proceed with the download. Simply go to Settings, then find and tap on Software Update, and tap on Download and Install. Solution 6. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to troubleshoot not receiving text messages on Android phone issue, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair Tool. It will help you to fix the network-related issues on the phone along with fixing many other system errors and issues, such as the phone being stuck in a boot loop, update failure issues, black screen of death error, and many more. So, I will highly recommend you to use this tool to fix this problem. If you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing Android not receiving text messages. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.